Hey, what is up everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna compare DKP versus TKP. So this is set up insanely loose, as you can see. So how I did it, basically on both trucks, front and back. So when you, about half a turn, okay, a bit more. Okay, now you can see it's a bit loose, right? It's a bit loose, so I just do like half a turn more. Same here. So this is an older board, so the bushings are a bit squished here, so it's a bit different. Yeah, as you can see, maybe a bit more. So it shouldn't be like that, definitely not. So I do half a turn. Same with this one, same with the front truck. So everything the same. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna film a speed test to see how stable it is at high speeds. We also gonna do a turn test, TKP versus DKP, around this corner, and let's see how it performs. I feel like a double kingpin, but I haven't tried it. It's insanely loose right now, but it also kind of feels good. I just want to show you a bit what it can do. Oh my god, normally I don't get around this corner so easily. Okay, there was a car. Okay, let's do a speed test now. Oof. Yeah, so 40 definitely, and I'm not feeling like I'm getting unstable or something. So as you can see, still really loose. And now we're gonna do the double kingpin trucks. I don't think I've ever ridden them like this loose. Oh my god, I don't even know if that's possible or not. It's really hard to show you. I will even gonna get around this corner right here a bit easier. Yeah, okay. It's definitely more. But now when you go fast, oh my god. It's, well, I think for someone light, yeah, oh my god, it's scary. It's scary, like I really feel like I'm gonna wobble. Yeah, it definitely turns sharper. As you can see, insanely wobbly. But yeah, it definitely turned sharper, that's for sure. Oh my god, I don't think I've ever ridden double kingpin like that. You can really not go fast anymore. But yeah, it turns really sharp, man. Alright, so it's really hard to show you guys that, like how it turns or what's the difference exactly. But the double kingpin definitely turns sharper. I'm just trying to show that in a video now. Okay, about right here. Try to, okay, I'm going really slow right now. But yeah, as you can see, landing at about just right here. So there's the difference. One thing I have to add real quick. So both boards still have inner bushings in there. And basically, if we would take them out, I believe it would turn even sharper, like both boards. But yeah, overall, I think it doesn't make a huge difference. I don't think anyone wants to ride the double kingpin like this loose. Like, it's literally so loose. Like, no one would ride like that. With the TKP, I feel like you could ride like that, but it's also feeling too loose. I think I would probably adjust it just a little bit, and it's already a lot better. With the DKP double kingpin trucks, it's not that easy in my opinion. I mean, right now it looks like I adjusted it, you know, but it's really loose. It's like all bushings. If you want to get the truck stiffer, it's actually not easy. Like, you have to adjust it like so much, and yeah. But overall, double kingpin trucks turn sharper. TKP a lot more stable when you're going fast. I just feel like for really light people, let's say under 70 kilos, under 140 pounds, something like that, I think double kingpin is still kind of okay. If you want to go faster, if you're heavier, it's not for you anymore. Definitely not. Then I would definitely recommend TKP. You're gonna feel a lot more stable. You won't chicken out anymore at high speeds. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see each other soon.